Hi there, students. Sly, an adjective. Slyly, the adverb, and slyness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if you call somebody sly, you say they are always deceiving people in a clever way in order to get what they want. Yeah? He's a sly old man, so don't trust him. The fox is often described as sly. Yeah, you don't know what he's going to do. He's always very good at tricking and deceiving people. If you describe someone as sly, you say you don't really like them because their intentions are always hidden and they're very good at deceiving people. Yeah, he's very sly and manipulative. Yeah, he always acts in a very sly way. He's very cunning, devious. Yeah, he does things in a secret way using secret plans. Now, you could also use this word sly, for example, to give someone a sly look or a sly wink or a sly remark. It shows that you know something that other people don't know, yeah, or something that is meant to be a secret. So she looked at me slyly, lowered her voice as if she was about to let on to a secret. Yeah. My girlfriend gave me a sly wink when my father started telling his war stories for the umpteenth time. Okay, so sly, manipulative, showing cunning, deceit, quite clever, but underhand. Yeah, not being open, and then he had a sly smile on his face. He's trying to insinuate or to show that somebody has some knowledge that might be harmful or it might be embarrassing. Yeah, so this is like a roguish grin. You know something that other people don't know, or it's a secret between you and the person you're giving this sly wink to. You can also use this. So I went off and had a sly drink. Here, sly, stealthy, secret, without letting anybody else know. Yeah. He went off to have a sly cigarette where nobody knew what he was doing. So surreptitious, stealthy, furtive. Yeah, you do it without anyone else knowing. Then we even have a phrase with this word sly, to do something on the sly. Yeah, in a secret way, in a way that no one else knows or other people don't know. Yeah, so she was certain her husband was seeing another woman on the sly. Yes, secretly, privately. Okay, so on the sly, without telling anyone else, in secret. Yeah, but probably because you think you're going to be criticised or told you can't do it. Yeah. He went down to the garden shed for a sly drink. Yeah, because that was the only place where he could drink on the sly. Okay, so somebody who's sly, this is somebody who is tricky. They're doing things that aren't honest, yeah, but full of cunning and deceit. So formality, sly. I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. I think use it anywhere. Yeah, he's a sly person. 5 in formality. a sly look. Yeah, a secretive look, a subtle look, a sly trick. 5, informality. Let's see, I think sly can also be slightly positive, to do something to escape notice. Yeah, so very skillfully, but with very smart as well. And then on the sly, I think this I would give a 4 informality. I would only use in a semi-formal, in a informal or semi-formal conversation. Then, as to origin, this comes from Old Norse, slogger, meaning cunning, sly, capable of hitting. From Proto-Germanic, slog is sly or agile. From Proto-Indo-European, slack, to hit or to throw. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sly.